Shalom, you're welcome to this tutorial. So, in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can publish your app on H.io so that it will be live for people to be able to download it from H.io. Alright, so H.io is one of the app stores that I've already spoken about in one of my videos I made concerning Unity Ads. You can go through my channel and you'll find it. So, what's one reason why I like H.io is that they accept any type of app, whether it's 18 plus content type of app, whatever it is. Yeah, as long as it is not anything illegal, they will accept it. Yeah. So what you do is you go to your browser and you search for itch.io. I would leave the link in the description so that you can go there straight away. So yes, you search for itch.io. So when you search for h.io to bring you to this page. So now all that you have to do is you just have to register. If this is your first time, you register. If you already have an account, you log in. But I'm going to take you through the entire process. So let's just register first of all. All right. So if you're a developer, you are someone that is looking for ways to earn extra income online, you just want, or you are someone who wants to know things that are beneficial and resourceful for online business, it would help you a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Yes, it is going to help you a lot if you subscribe to my channel and if you like my video, because I basically create content on that actually delivers. Okay, yes, I create content on that actually delivers. And if you go through my channel, you watch some of my videos, you would know why I say that. All right, so you create a username for your account. Okay, all right, then you give it a password, and then after you're done with the password, you just input your email address. Okay, all right, so you decide what you basically want. All right, you decide basically what you want. All right, yes, you just tick on the boxes. If you are only interested in post publishing your apps over here, then you can just untick this. Or if you want all of both, fine. If you want just to download games and stuff from here, that's also fine. Yes, and for the app developers, those of you that are basically into game development, this should be one of the places that you focus on. Okay, this should be one of the places that you focus on, because these are where a lot of gamers come to download their games. Okay, yeah. So you create your account, and then when you're done creating your account, you just complete the captcha and then you tap on create account. All right, so after you're done creating the account, you'll be brought to this page. So over here is where you can post your apps. So get started with your first app, whether it's a game or it's not a game, it's a utility app or whichever way it is. You just follow me. Okay, so you first tap on create new project. All right, and then when you tap on create new project, you input the name of your app. So name of my app is Mimi's Home GH. Okay, it's an e-commerce app that I built for a client. All right, so this part will automatically fill itself. This one too is optional. Okay, all right. So this part two is also optional. You can leave it. So if your app is not a game, you just select other or a software utility. But this app is an e-commerce app. It's not a software utility, and since it's not listed here, we are just going to select other. Yeah. So I would make another video on publishing a gaming app on this particular site. Okay, so that for those of you that are normally going to game development, you would see exactly how you can draw a lot of downloads from this site alone. All right, yeah. So select order, okay, and then leave this one on downloadable. Okay, leave this one on downloadable. So now whether you want someone to pay before they can before they can download this app, you would input it over here. So if you want it to be absolutely free, no payment. If you want it to be paid, you input that one to here, but then you have to now set up the payment system, and I would go through that one when I make the video that I'm promising about on how you can publish a gaming app over here. All right. Or you can leave it at $0 so donate, meaning that the app is free, but if someone would like to donate to you, that's fine. All right. So now we come over here, and this is where you upload the APK file of your app. All right. This is where you upload the APK file of your app. So this is the APK file. So I'm going to click on that and upload it. So over here, you can input the details of your app. This is just for tutorial purposes, so I'm not going to take too much time doing this. Okay. So over here, you can input the tags over here. Some of the tags are not really popular. Okay, so as you can see, most of these tags here are for basically games, all right? Yeah, but then it doesn't mean that if your app is not a gaming app, they won't approve it, all right? Yeah, it doesn't mean that if your app is not a gaming app, they won't approve it. Yeah, yeah. So that's basically it, all right? So whether this content is based on AI or not, you leave it yes or no. This one basically has nothing to do with AI. If there are any other links to your app on any other of these listed stores, you can input the link over here, all right, and then the download instructions. You can input the download instructions as required by your app, all right. Yeah. So when you are done, you now come over here to the cover image of your app. All right. All right. So you upload the cover image. This is where you upload the app icon for your app. All right. This is where you upload the app icon for your app. And then the next thing we are supposed to do is to now get screenshots of our app. All right. So I'm going to use LD Player to open the app. This is the app that I built for. Okay, all right. If you are an e-commerce person, you need your own e-commerce app, or you need me to help you, you want my app development course on how you can build basically apps like this. My contact is in the description. You tap on it and it will take you directly to my DM in WhatsApp, and we can proceed from there. All right. So if you have your app, you just open it and get the screenshots from the app. All right. So I'm going to screenshot the loading image that shows. All right. Yes, so I've also monetized this app, so meaning that ads would be showing in this app. But since this is an emulator, it is unlikely that the ads will show. However, this particular app is monetized. Okay. Yeah, so you can monetize your app too and also publish it here. You wouldn't have any issue with that. All right. Yeah. Yeah. And also this is an emulator, so it's taking a bit slow. So let me just speed. Okay, so let's proceed. So I'm just going to quickly take these screenshots. You don't need much screenshots. You don't need much screenshots. All right, you don't need much of the screenshots. So that's basically it. That's all. So you go back to the dashboard where you are uploading the app, and then you navigate to where the pictures would be saved. All right. So over here, go to my documents. Okay. So I'm just going to upload the screenshots. All right. So immediately you publish the app over here. So the donation fee that you want someone to donate, the suggested one, definitely it's not going to be a limit, but maybe some you've seen that someone sees that you've done a very good job on this particular app and it has actually helped him. So he wants to donate money to you. You want to suggest an amount for him to donate. You can input the amount here, maybe $2, $5, or $10, or 100, 1,000, whichever one it is. Yeah, you'll be shocked that this is people would if you actually really create something that is beneficial for people, they would actually you would actually be getting a lot of donations here. So after you're done uploading the screenshots and then the file, after you're done uploading the screenshots and the file, all you do is you come here, okay, then you tap on public, okay, then you tap on save, then you save it. So itch.io doesn't really take long. Immediately you make it public, the app will be published over there immediately. Yeah, immediately. And in less than 10 minutes, you just get an email from them saying that your app has been approved. I mean, I'm not sure these people even really go through the thing like that. Because in less than 10 minutes, you just get an email saying your app has been approved. Yeah. So after it's done saving, you can copy this link. Okay. So after it's done saving, you just copy your link. You can copy this link as you are seeing it over here, or you can just go to dashboard. Okay, you go to your dashboard. Your dashboard is where you will see all of your apps that you've uploaded over here. Okay, so when you're on your dashboard, you will see your apps and everything over here. Right, you see your apps and everything over here. So we just go to analytics to see how much downloads, okay, and views that your app has gotten. Okay, yeah. So when you come to the analytics, you see how much downloads and views your app has gotten. But if you want to see how your app looks like on the store, okay, if you want to see how your app looks like on the store, you go to view your profile, okay, view profile. So on the view profile page, you would see your app, okay. Yeah, you can edit your profile. You can edit your profile in the settings side and make this place with a profile picture and all of those things. So when someone comes to your profile, opens the Mimi's Home GH, okay, the person opens the Mimi's Home GH, they will see all of the details of the app as you uploaded it over here. All right. Yeah, just wait for the page to finish loading. All right, so the page is is downloading. So as you can see, the download button is over here. So you can just copy the link of this page and send it to anybody that you send it to the people you have them download the app, send it to your social media platforms. This is the link that you share for people to be able to download the app. So that's basically it. That's how you can upload your app to the H.io store. All right. Yeah. Do want to subscribe to my channel and like my video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next video as a subscriber. Thank you and shalom. Bye bye.